Nowadays, YouTube content creation is the new gold mine. You find a lot of people, young people, old people, people in the middle age, they are getting into YouTube content creation. Yeah, but now the thing is, these new creators, once they hop on YouTube, start creating content, they make a lot of errors. And I know we all create content for different aims. Why some people create to monetize with affiliate links, there are some people who just want to share their experiences without any hopes of making money off it. But for some, like me and maybe you, we are creating to monetize our content. That is our major goal. In as much as we want to impact lives, we want to share knowledge, but we still want to make money from our content. But now a lot of us new creators, once we start creating content, of course we are new, we don't know what to do, we don't know what not to do, we are still new with the whole YouTube stuff. All right, and so we do a whole lot of things that can affect our channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you 3 things you should not do as a new creator on your YouTube channel. These things are going to hurt your channel so badly that you won't be able to get your channel monetized. You might even lose your channel along the line. Don't do this if your aim is to monetize your channel. All right. Hello there. This is Grow with Joseph. And on this channel, we share tips on how young creators can scale on YouTube. And once in a while, we post updates on how people can make money online through proven methods. All right, we are not talking about side hustles or passive. We are talking about real methods, proven strategies which people can build and a presence and monetize it online. Okay, so if this is the type of content you are interested in, you might want to click that subscribe button and also click on that notification bell. That said, let me walk you through 3 things you should not do as a new creator on your YouTube channel. The first thing you should not do is this thing you guys call sub for sub. Most creators, when they get started with YouTube, most new people think that subscriber count equals views or success. That is the first mistake a lot of creators make. And so these people start giving their channel link to a lot of people so they can subscribe, and then they too subscribe, you know, as a way of returning back the favor. So you subscribe to my channel and I subscribe to your channel, you get one subscriber, I get one subscriber. So they've even created groups. You understand? Sub for sub. You subscribe and I subscribe. Now that thing you're doing is killing your channel. Don't do that. You need to avoid it. All right. Instead of doing that, you should focus on creating valuable content people would want to watch. Okay, the algorithm is very smart. You understand? 100 people cannot subscribe to your channel in a day, and then you subscribe to that to 100 channels in one day. The algorithm takes note of that, and this can lead to shadow ban. And so the algorithm stops pushing your content. That is one effect. Another effect is these people that subscribe to your channel, they are not subscribing because they like what you're doing. They only subscribe because you're going to return the favor by subscribing to theirs. So if you post content, these people are not going to react to your content. They'll just scroll and pass because they're not interested in the type of content you create. So never you do sub for sub. Instead of doing that, create value. Post valuable contents and allow the algorithm to do its job. The second mistake most new creators do is that they re-upload already uploaded videos. So you upload a video today, and because you don't have time to create new videos, you download the videos you've already uploaded on YouTube and then you upload them back to your channel. You're re-uploading videos you've already posted. Do you understand? If you don't have time to create content, leave it. Don't upload videos you've already posted. All right, that is reused content. So you are uploading what you've already uploaded. YouTube might not strike you at that same point. You might not see the effect because that content belongs to your channel. You created it, right? So YouTube might not give you a strike at that moment. Okay, but I bet you in the coming months or in the months ahead, maybe when your channel is due for monetization, you might get rejected because of reused content. Or tell you reused content, that means you've used one content multiple times. That is not good for your channel. Create new content. If you don't have time, it's better you leave your channel dormant instead of instead of re-uploading videos you've already posted. That is not good. Okay, never you do that. You can, you know, or remove engaging parts, or some important parts from a long video, and upload them as short. Okay, you want to cut out some interesting parts from the long content you've posted, and then you want to upload it back to your channel as short. That one is acceptable. All right, but you uploading one full content again, which you've already uploaded on YouTube, is not acceptable. That is reused content, and YouTube does not like that. All right, so don't do this. If you've been doing this, I want you to go back to your channel right now and delete all those videos you've uploaded twice or thrice on your channel. Go to your channel right now and delete them. Okay, you are hurting your channel by yourself. The last mistake small creators do on their channel, which if you are doing, you need to stop it right now, is sharing your video link after every upload. Yeah, I know this sounds crazy, but what I'm about to say now, most of us have done it. I've done it. You too. I know maybe you're doing it or you've done it in the past, but you need to stop. All right, you need to stop. If you post a video, give the algorithm time to study your video and recommend that video to the right audience. You do not post a video now and start sharing that video link, same time. You're, you know, not allowing the algorithm to do its job. That's the job of the algorithm. The algorithm is meant to sort out your audience, look for your audience, and push your content to them. Okay. So if the algorithm is not recommending your videos yet, there might be some problems or reasons. Maybe your thumbnail is not clickable enough, your title is too vague, and the competition is too much. So you want to adjust some key things. So you want to look at your click-through rate, your average view duration, and some other key analytics, and adjust them. Instead of you taking your video link and sharing to friends, family, community. Yeah, you can do that, but only after some time, when you've given the algorithm time to do its job. Okay, at least 5 hours after every upload. If you want to share your link, you leave the video there for at least 5 hours. At least the algorithm must have studied your video and recommend it to some people. You don't just post now and then start sharing your video link immediately. It's hurting your channel. Come to think of it, how many people can you even reach? If the algorithm sidelines your channel, stop promoting your videos, can you promote your video? How many people can you even promote your videos to? How many people can you get to see your videos? Okay, when you take your video, your link, and start sharing immediately after you upload a video, you're telling the algorithm you can distribute your video yourself. So no need for YouTube to bother distributing your video for you. And the truth is, you cannot reach 100 people, 100,000 people, sorry, or 1 million people. Only the algorithm can do that. So allow it to do its job. When you post a video, leave it. Content creation is not, a get rich quick scheme. Most of us want to get rich quick. You just want to post a video today and get 1 million views today. That is the reason why we engage in such activities. Content creation is a journey. You need to, as you go, you learn, what your audience are interested in watching. You want to adjust to what they like watching, you know, learn along the way. And with time, the algorithm customs your channel and knows how to distribute your videos better. All right. Don't share your video immediately after you upload. Give the algorithm time to study your audience, study your video, and recommend your video to the right audience. If you found value watching this video, please give this channel a subscribe, give this video a like, and also like this video. You can also go ahead to share so more people can learn, and stop doing these mistakes on their channels. See you in a subsequent episode. Bye.